phagocytosis. When phagocyte comes across bacteria or virus, it will extend its pseudopodia to entrap the bacteria or the virus in a vesicle known as phagosome. There are lysosomes in the phagocyte. Phagosome will fuse with lysosome to form phagolysosome. Phagosome combine with lysosome and you will get phagolysosome. Phagolysosome will release lysosomal enzymes which will digest the captured bacteria. Digestion products will be released from the phagocyte through exocytosis.